Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed and how to this body is assemble. This is a final product. A shock absorber. This body is a shock absorber, and how to this body is designed. And all lecture is one by one is upcoming here, but today discuss here a very important, and this point is a motion study, and this is a only a this is a all assemble point, and motion is apply here. This is a body is a spring is this is a push up and push down, then this is a rotate here. This is some body is a push up, then this is a rotate here, and also this is a rotate, then this body is a down. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a this is a looking here easily, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this body is a apply here. Okay, and also this is shock absorber, all point is a discuss here, and this is a some is a push, then this body is a rotate here, and this is a motion is apply here. Okay, and little push up and push down, then this body is a correct. Okay, but today discuss here a very important, and one by one is all point is discussed here, and all lecture is upcoming here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this point is very easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important point is discuss here. This body is a shock absorber. Okay, this body is a final product of shock absorber, and this very useful and helpful automobile engine, and this body is very useful, helpful, and how to this body is designed, and this is a final product a shock absorber, and this is a 4 part is a divide, first part and second part and third and fourth, and all part is one by one is discussed here, and last is a assemble all parts, and this is a final product is represent here. Okay, and today discuss here this is a first part is nut design, and this use a nut, and this is a thread, and all 2D geometry is available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this is the first part, and this is the second part, and all is a use a 4 part is discussed here, but today discuss here only one part, and all 2D geometry is defined here easily and clearly. And this is a front view, and this is a top view, and front view is this is a diameter is 52 millimeter, and this is a 24 millimeter. Okay, this both dimension, and this is a upper is a 29 millimeter diameter, and this thickness is 9 millimeter, and this upper thickness is this is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and this is inclined angle is 50-degree angle, and this cutout is a this. Okay, and this body is a design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a nut, this is a nut design, and this very useful and helpful use a part of a shock absorber, and last is a lecture is this body, all is body is a assemble here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. At first select a part, and part is some setting is very useful. And okay, going to image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry is a all line is a clearly show here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first select this is a use this. Okay, select a plane is a top plane, and sketch normal. At first drawing a two circle is draw here, first circle and second circle, and mention this diameter is 52 millimeter and 24 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and both diameter, and use a extrude boss, and extrude boss is thickness is a 9 millimeter. Okay, 9 millimeter is perfect, and all is a correct, and click OK. This is a perfect. And select this face, sketch normal, and draw again a circle is drawing here this, and this diameter is a 29 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 29 millimeter, and this thickness is a 1 millimeter. And select this inner line, and use a convert entities, because two line is this distance is a this distance is a extrude, and use extrude boss, and use isometric view. Okay, this is isometric view, and this thickness is 1 millimeter. And okay, this is a perfect. And next line is this is a cutout is drawing here, and select this face, sketch normal, and draw at first draw a center line. Center line is this is use a midpoint, and okay, this is a perfect. And this horizontal line and this vertical line is also correct, and draw a circle is this, and again click a line to select this to this. Okay, again select a line, and this line is this to this. Okay, and use mirror entities, and select this, and mirror about this. Okay, click OK. And trim entities is this is a trim here. Okay, and smart dimension is perfect. Okay, this use this radius is 2 millimeter, and this angle is 60 degree, and this length is this center point, and this center is 20 millimeter is perfect. Means this center point is a distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is 2 millimeter, and angle between this to this is 60 degree angle is perfect. Okay, and all is perfect. And next is use here use this linear pattern, and pattern is use a circular pattern, and one by one is all is select here. Select this, and one point is missing here, and at first select this use a convert entities, and all Next point is a this is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect, and then all is correct, and then use a circular pattern, and circular pattern is this. Okay, and use a this is a pattern is 12. Okay, and this use a 360-degree equal spacing, and this use a 12 and display instance about all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and last is a use a this is a incline a 15 degree, then use a plane. At first select a plane. Plane is a okay, this is a front plane. Select sketch, normal, and select a line. Line is a this to this, and the vertical line, and click this. Okay, and this line, and press a control button and click this line, select and use a collinear. Okay, and this angle is a 15-degree angle. Okay, and this inclination is 15 degree, and center line is draw here because this use a revolve cut. Okay, center line is perfect, and use a revolve cut, and this is a perfect. Okay, revolve cut is apply here, and this inclination, okay, this is a 15 degree is cut here. Okay, all is perfect, and next is a use a this use a thread, and thread is a very useful, and thread is a use a thread, and easily use a first part or drawing here, and this thread is perfect, and select a okay, this thread is a perfect, and select a use this part. Okay, and insert this part, and going to this part is drawing here. At first drawing this second part, and this top rod, and this top rod is one by one is a lecture is drawing here. Okay, next lecture is this is a drawing here, and at first select this top rod and select OK. Okay, and this mention here this locate part with move and copy feature, and this is a check here, and click OK. Some slow work here. Okay. But this point is this is a perfect, and some part is this thread is use this thread is cut here inside here, but this is a move. Okay, this move is not working here. Then use a translate, and use a y-axis, and y-axis is a this is a use this. Okay, and this 10 millimeter is this move upward, but this is a move downward. Then use a -10 is perfect. Okay, and then -15 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And then this thread is cut here easily and perfectly. Some slow work is all process is working here. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this part is cut here, but this is a subtract this body. Then use a again select a insert and feature and use a combine, going to combine and use a subtract, and this main body is this, and subtract this body and body to continue and select this body, and this body is a subtract here and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this thread is also okay, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and this thread is also easily locate here. Okay, and some color is a use a polished brush color, and this is a perfect, and this lecture is a perfect, and next lecture is also one by one is all 4 lecture is, and last is a assemble is this body, and then final is a shock absorber is complete here. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here a spring design. Okay, and this is a final shock absorber. Okay, this product is a final shock absorber, and this use a spring, and how to this spring is designed here. And this is a part 2, and part 1 is already upload here, and this is a very useful and helpful, and how to this body is easily learned here. And guys, this is a spring design. Okay, and use this is a front view and top view and right view, and all point is a 2D drafting is available here, and this is isometric view. Okay, and this final product is shock absorber, and this shock absorber is very useful and helpful product, and okay, how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay guys, okay, this is a drawing here easily and clearly, and this point is very useful, and this cutout is also very useful. Okay, this body is a how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is set here plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, this 2D drafting is also available here, and this distance is 15mm, means this is center to this distance, this circle, and this circle is drawing here this diameter is 7.25mm, and this cutout is this, and this cutout is upper side, and this lower side is cutout. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and a line is drawing here, this to this, a straight line is drawing here, and some distance is mentioned here 99.9. okay, and this distance is okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is a missing point, but this length is a 99.9. and okay, exit, and again select a front plane and normal, okay, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here this, okay, and this distance to this point to this is a 15 millimeter, and this radius is a 7.25 millimeter, okay, and this point press a control button and select this point. A line is a horizontal, okay. This is a fully defined. This is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and this diameter is 7.25 millimeter, and this length between this center to this origin point is 15 millimeter, okay, and this is a correct 15 millimeter to this origin point to this center point distance 15 millimeter, and this diameter is 7.25 millimeter, correct. And also exit. And some important point is use a swept boss base. Click here, and first is this profile is select here, and second is this path, okay. But a spring is a design, and then going to option, and option is this is a very important, and profile orientation. Profile orientation is select here a flow path, okay, keep normal, but this is a flow path is correct. And profile twist is a specified twist value, okay, this is a perfect, and twist control means this is a revolution. This is a very important point is learner, and twist control is this select a revolution, okay, and this revolution is a 6 turns. And also this use a turn, this use a turns and revolution is same, and this turns is a 6 turns, this, okay, and okay, all is perfect, and select okay. This preview is showing here, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is a very important. This is a very important 6 turns, means this is a turns is this rotate, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, this is turns is 6, and also 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a revolution, and turns is perfect, and okay, all is perfect. Click okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is some cut here, and cut here this and back side is this, okay, both is cut here, okay, and select a plane is a top plane, sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is draw here any diameter is not mentioned here, okay, and extrude cut is apply here. This cut is a remove, but the direction is a reverse direction, okay, and click okay. This is a length 10 millimeter, okay, click okay. This cutout is you can show here, okay, this cutout is perfect, and this cutout is very useful, and below side is also cut out. Then also use a top plane is top plane, and select a reference geometry and use a plane, okay, and plane is this is a very important, and select this is a okay, this is a point, and perfect, and this vertex is a select here, and click ok. And also select this plane, sketch normal, okay, and okay, this plane is this plane, sketch, normal, okay, and draw a circle. Circle is this, and use a extrude cut is also this but this direction is also reverse, and all is perfect, and this thickness is 10 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, both cutout is also perfect, and this is a perfect. Okay, and upper side and lower side both cutout is perfect, cutout, and some material is apply here, and this is a painted, and painted is a use a car. Okay, and also color is a use here, and select color is blue color is perfect. Okay, this color is a perfect. This color is very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly, and select isometric view is this. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is design. And this is a use a top rod, and this body is a final shock absorber, and this final shock absorber is very useful and helpful any product, and this is a very important product for a beginner student is also very useful, and this is a learn here very easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and how to this body is design, and this is a isometric view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a also section view is also available, and this is a top view. Okay, and this body is design, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Today learn here all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a final shock absorber, and all is a assemble point, and at first drawing one by one all point is one by one is drawing here, and then last is a assemble this final assemble is shock absorber. Okay, let's start here this body is design. Okay, this is a body is designed here easily and clearly, and to discuss here a very important lecture for a beginner student is also, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly and all point is a okay, this is a okay, all point is correct. Okay, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first select some important point. A point is this is use a plain white, and going to document property and image quality. Image quality is very high because all geometry is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a you check here dimension is mmgs, millimeter, gram, second. Okay at first drawing this circle is 24 millimeter, and diameter is 108.93. okay, at first select a plane is top plane, and select a circle is this, and this use a 24 millimeter diameter, and then this is a extrude boss, extrude boss is a 108.93 millimeter. Okay, okay, all point is correct. Okay, and then use this is a fillet is used here. This fillet is 6 millimeter. Okay, select a fillet is 6 millimeter, and then this is a this, click OK. Okay, and next is a this is a cutout. This cutout is a very important, and this cutout is a length is a 20 millimeter, and this both line is distance between a 15 millimeter. And then select a plane, and plane is a front plane, sketch normal. Okay, and use a center line connect to this point to this, and this line is a vertical, and going to this corner rectangle and select this line and going to this, and also this use a mirror, and this is a okay, and select this line. Okay, okay, and dimension is okay, this is a 20 millimeter is, and this gap between this both distance is a 15 millimeter, a big gap. Okay, this gap is a very okay, and okay, all is perfect. And this length is not any, okay, no mention here any diameter. Okay, all is perfect, and this gap is perfect, and this length is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is apply here through all both, because both side is cut here easily. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select this face, sketch normal, and use a center line and connect to this point to this, and this line is also vertical line, and this cutout is a circle is drawing here, and a small circle is a cutout, and this cutout is a this a small circle is 8 diameter is 8 millimeter, and this length to center point is between this distance is 10 millimeter is cut out, and this is a very important, and this is a 8 millimeter is diameter, and this length is this line to this center point distance between 10 millimeter. Okay, and also use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all both side, because all okay, perfect. And also select this face, and this use a okay, and next is a drawing this. Okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a diameter is 18 millimeter, and this length is 25 millimeter this, and select a right plane, sketch normal, right plane is better. Okay, and drawing a circle, and again select this is a convert entities, and align a diamond. This diameter is a 18 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and going to this extrude boss. Extrude boss is very important, and this use a mid plane, and this length is 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and better. And next is use here this Okay, all is perfect. One by one it is discussed here. And next is use here this cutout is a 10 millimeter and 75 millimeter is length. I'm going to this sketch normal and draw a circle. Circle is a this use a 10 millimeter. This use a 10 millimeter diameter and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 75 millimeter is length. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and this is a this, and this use a 27 millimeter is diameter. Again same here is this is a perfect, both is same, and this length and this length this is a same, and this is a 25 millimeter and this 25 millimeter is same here. Okay, and next is a 27 millimeter is diameter, and this length is a 80.93 is reverse direction, and select this face sketch normal and drawing a circle. A big circle is drawing here. Okay, a big circle is drawing here, and this is a convert entities because okay, this circle is this convert entities, and align a diamond. This diameter is 27 millimeter. Okay, and going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is direction is reverse, and this is a 80.93. this length is perfect, and all is perfect. Okay, okay, all is perfect. Looking here, and next is a okay, next is a this is a thread is cut out, and this is a chamfer is apply here also, and this chamfer is used here. This use a chamfer, and 4 millimeter is 45 degree angle, and select this. Okay, okay, and next is a thread is used here, and thread is a this thread length is a rectangle is drawing here. This length is a 2 millimeter, and this is a 2 millimeter, and angle is 60 degree, and this is use a pitch is 3 millimeter, and this length is 50 millimeter. Okay, and select this face sketch, and use this line, this edge point, and select convert entities. Okay, and going to this curve and helix and a spiral. Okay, helix and a spiral is this use a height and pitch. Select here, and constant pitch is perfect, and this height is a 50 millimeter is perfect, and this pitch is 3 millimeter, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a reverse direction is perfect, and start angle is 0 degree and clockwise. All is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also select drawing a rectangle, then this is a cutout, and use a right plane sketch normal. Okay, this plane is perfect, and align drawing a rectangle. This rectangle is perfect. Click to okay, this is a click to this, and also select a center line, drawing this to this, and okay, this length is 2 millimeter, and also this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this angle is a 60 degree angle. Okay, not defined. All is perfect. Okay, this length is a horizontal, then all is looking perfect. Okay, and then use this point and press a control button and select this line and use a pierce, make a pierce, and then all is fully defined. Okay, and going to exit and select this and use a sweep cut, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is a select this. Okay, all is perfect, and all is looking perfect and all is correct. Then okay, this is a cutout is better, and this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and some fillet is used here, and this fillet is used this 0.75 millimeter is perfect, and select this. Okay, all is perfect and all is correct, and click OK. And some time is spent here, then all fillet is active. Some little time is spent here, no problem, because all fillet is used. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a perfect. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here. Okay, all point is perfect, and this use a color, and the color is this, and also select here this and select this and this, and going to okay, this is a painted, and red color is perfect, and also use this fillet is used, and also going to this red color. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and also select this and press a control button, and also one by one is all point is select here, and this and going to this, and use a use a metal is a okay, this is metal is a chromium, and chromium plate is perfect. Chromium plate is looking nice, and this is also select here, and going to chromium plate is perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here, and all point is a perfect and correct, and isometric is also better. Okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and this top rod is ready, and then third part is also ready, then last is a fourth part is drawing here, and then final is a assemble here, all parts, and all is perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here one by one is clearly and perfectly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this is a very important lecture is discussed here, and this lecture is very important, and this is a use a base design, and this is a final shock absorber, and all one by one all point is discussed here. And then this final assemble is this body, and final assemble shock absorber, and then this base body is designed here, and then a spring, and then nut, and this is a top rod. All lecture is one by one is designed here, but this lecture is a today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for beginner student is also. And also okay, this is a perfect, and at first drawing and this all point is this is a 2D drafting is also available here, this body, and this use a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a section view, and this is a top view, and this isometric view is also this, and final assemble point is all shock absorber is this. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is a design today discuss here a very important lecture, and this body is a easily and clearly is designed here, and okay, all point is learn here very important. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first select some setting is very important, and this is use a plain white, and this use a document property and image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry is looking perfect. Okay, and guys, at first select this use a 45 degree is 45 diameter is 45 millimeter, and all dimension is millimeter, and this is a diameter is 45 millimeter, and this length is a 70 millimeter is this. Okay, at first select a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, drawing a circle is diameter is a 45 millimeter. This diameter is 45 millimeter, and all dimension is millimeter, gram second setting here, and then use a length is a extrude boss, and this length is a 3 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this use a this diameter is 45 millimeter, and this thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and again select this upper face is 10 millimeter is diameter, and this length is 70 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, and again select this face, sketch or draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this diameter is a 10 millimeter, and this length is a 45 extrude boss, and this length is a 70 millimeter. Okay, 70 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And then back side is also select sketch and draw a circle, and circle is this, and then back side is diameter. Okay, this diameter is a 24 millimeter, and this length is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and then this is a fillet is apply here a 6 millimeter is fillet, and align this diameter is a this is a 24 millimeter, and apply a extrude boss. This is a 28 millimeter is perfect. 28 millimeter. This is a 28 millimeter is thickness, and click OK. And fillet is apply here a 6 millimeter is fillet, and this edge is select here, and click OK. Okay. Okay, all point is perfect, and then next is a drawing here. Okay, this is a cutout is a this, and this distance between is this 15 millimeter, and this length is a 20 millimeter, and this width is a 19.5 millimeter. Okay, this use a front plane, sketch, normal, and select this center line. This center line is this, connect to this to this. Okay, and this line is a vertical, is very important, and use a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is select here is this to this is a perfect, and select this all is select here, and use a mirror image, and mirror entities is this, and click OK, and align a dimension. Dimension is a this point to this is a 15 millimeter, is gap is very high and perfect, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this diameter is a 19.5 millimeter. Okay, and 19.5 millimeter is this, but then okay, this dimension is not very important, because this diameter is a 12 millimeter, then also perfect, no problem, but this dimension is okay, because this is a cutout, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all both side, and okay, this is a perfect, and also select this face, sketch, normal, and select a center line. Okay, draw a 90-degree angle, and this line is a vertical line, and then use a cutout. This cutout is this small circle is cut out, and then this diameter is 8 millimeter, and this thickness is a this is a distance between this center point to this is 10 millimeter. Okay, or draw a small circle is this. Okay, and align a dimension is a 10 millimeter, this is 8 millimeter, and this center point to this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this use extrude cut. Extrude cut is both through all both side is very important. Okay, and next is a drawing here this body, and this body is a this is a circle is drawing here 18 millimeter, and this thickness is a 25 millimeter is mid plane. Okay, and this 25 millimeter is this 25 millimeter is same, and 8 diameter, and this diameter is same here. Okay, and this length is and this length is same also, and this thickness is also perfect, and all is a not mentioned here. Okay, and select a right plane, sketch. Okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this okay, not center line, and select a circle is drawing here. This circle is this a big circle, and this circle is also use a convert entities. This circle is also use convert entities, perfect, and diameter is a 18 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a mid plane, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is one by one is drawing here is perfect and correct, and okay, all dimension is perfect, and all dimension is a learn here easily and clearly. Okay, and next is a color is apply here. this color is a select this body, select this body. Okay, this body select, all is select here, and use a chromium, and chromium is this, and select this face, sketch iron, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all is a perfect looking here, and then all is perfect, and isometric view is also perfect, and this is a looking here better. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here. Okay, correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed, and how to this body is design and assemble easily and clearly. And this is a shock absorber. To discuss here a very important lecture. All point is one by one is a sketch here, and to discuss here all points is easily assemble here. Okay, today learn here all body is assemble easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a final shock absorber is okay, and this is a perfect and correct. And how to this body is assemble easily and clearly. To discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very useful and helpful. Beginner student is also learn here a beautiful project. Okay, let's start here. This body is assemble here easily and clearly. Okay. Okay, at first select assemble, and some use a plain white. Okay, this is a perfect, and one by one all part is okay. Select a insert component and going to browse and save okay, save all parts one by one is some size is increase here extra. This is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and one by one is all part is selected. This is the first part, and second this is a base, top rod, and spring and nut. One by one is all part is selected, and this is a final assemble here is this. At first select this top rod and select open, and this is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select going to insert component, and another part is also this use a base body. Okay, and again select open, and this is a perfect, and base body and this body top rod is a perfect. Okay, okay, and both is correct, and select a mate, and use at first select this face and select this. Okay, and going this is a concentric is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, this is a concentric is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and next is a click OK, and again select this going to next part is a select this nut and open, and okay, this is a perfect. And some important is very important is relation is this nut and top rod. Okay, and correct. At first select this body, and okay, use a mate and select this body and use this face, select this face and going to concentric is perfect. Click OK, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is a rotation here, but this is a move, and this is a one relation is also selector, and this is a very important relation. And at first select a use a temporary axis. Okay, and going to mate, and mate is a mechanical mate, and going to screw. A screw is a very important, and this is relation is a very important, and select this axis, and also select this face. Okay, and this is a revolution per millimeter, and this is a 1, and direction is reverse. Direction is reverse is very important, and this relation is also so here, and this is a very important relation, and click OK. And this body is a rotation here, but not move. Okay, this is a fix, and this is a only rotate here, and this relation is very important, and click OK. Okay, and also next part is going to insert component, and last part is spring, and a spring is this, and also spring relation is also very important. Okay, and correct. At first select this, and going to this, and going to sweep, and sweep is this is a sketch 2. Sketch 2 is this line is showing here, and this click here, and this is a so. Okay, this relation is very important, and going to mate. Mate is this, and again select this line. Okay, and select this axis, and relation is a concentric. Okay, not so here. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, again mate, and this line is select here, and this face is select here. Okay, this is this face, and this use a concentric. Okay, click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and again select this face, and select this face. This is a coincident is a perfect relation is perfect. This is a okay. This relation is a perfect and correct, and okay, this is a move here easily, and this body is rotate, and also this body is drag here. Okay, and and this spring is this some move, then this nut is a rotation. Okay, all is perfect, and one relation is also select this face. This face is select here, and click this face. Okay, coincident relation is perfect, and this is a okay, and click okay. And all point is hide, this is a hide, and also temporary axis is also hide, and all is a perfect, and assemble is complete here. And so here this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is move up and down, and this is a rotation, this nut is rotate here, and also this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a rotate here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and also this nut is a, this is a drag up and down, then move up and down, then this nut is rotate here. Okay, okay guys, finally all point is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture. This is apply exploded, and this body is animation, and how to work this, how to all process is animation, and how to this body is exploded and collapse one by one, and then apply this. Okay, let's start here. This okay, this is a perfect. This body is a rotation and exploded, and also automatic is collapse here, and this is a very nice looking here. And then all process is learned here easily one by one. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also a proficient student is very important. Okay, and automatic collapse here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is a rotation and exploded all one by one. Okay, let's start here. This body is a, and at first select this automatic is also apply here, and then this is right click and going to this create a new motion study. Okay, and this 2 is a delete here. Then this is a not this is a okay, and again this new create a, and this is a delete here. Okay, and okay, this is not active any exploded view and any rotation view. Then one by one is apply here. Okay, this is a perfect body, and any select here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, any one position, then looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a perfect position is a correct, and apply at first select a exploded view, then one by one is all parts is a separate here, and at first this body is separate. Okay, this is a perfect. And then second is this body, and this is a okay and exploded. Then third is this and body is a okay, this is a perfect. And fourth is a this body is a this. Okay, all is perfect and click OK, and all is exploded. Then apply here. This is a collapse. Okay, this is a perfect. And again select exploded. Okay, and again this is a collapse. Okay, this is a perfect. And apply this animation wizard, and going to this rotate model, and next and y-axis 1. Okay, this is perfect. And then start here a 0, and this time is a 6. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, and calculate, and then this is a perfect and correct. Rotation is a 1 time. And then also going to animation wizard, then exploded, and next okay, this is a 6, starting time is 6, and then this is a 11 second, and finish. Okay, and again select animation wizard, and then going to collapse, and next and collapse is a this is a 11, duration is 11 second, and going to this is a 17 is perfect, and finish. Okay, then this body is a collapse. Calculate, and one part is 1 by 1 is a this is exploded, and automatic is collapse here. This is a perfect. Okay, perfect and correct. Collapse here. Okay, this is a, and again select this play from a start here, and then at first this is a rotation, and then this body is exploded, and all parts is 1 by 1 is exploded. Then you can see here easily, and automatic is collapse here. Okay, guys, all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.